Hi guys, I'm at Berkowitz Hair and Skin Clinic today. I took my second laser hair reduction session today. So before taking my first laser hair reduction session, I had a few inhibitions in my mind. I used to think that this procedure is very expensive and what if there are some side effects and what if it'll suit my skin, and there were a lot of rumors in the market. But then I took my personal consultation from Dr. Anupriya here, and I got to know that it's not expensive at all. It's literally gonna be much cheaper than the money that we spend in salons for waxing. It's much cheaper than that. There are literally no side effects. It's completely pain-free. I used to think it's gonna be a lot of pain, I don't know if it'll work out for my skin. I had no idea, but trust me guys, you have to trust the latest technology in the skin industry. It's absolutely painless, and it's literally like a miracle for women and men out there because it's just so much better than waxing. Waxing is gonna waste a lot of your money, and this is like a one-time investment, and then you're just literally hairless for the rest of your life. So I believe in this sort of investment because I want to save my money for the rest of my life. So I got my second session, laser hair reduction session today, and I feel like my skin feels smooth. I did not feel a thing. It completely got over. It was very quick, and now I'm looking forward to getting it done for my rest of the body parts too. And I really recommend it, and I believe whatever latest skin technology is out in the market, we should all make the most of it. We are the Gen Z people, we all should make the most of it. I personally really recommend Berkowitz Hair and Skin Clinic for laser hair reduction because my experience over here has been really good.